a compelling story from Aristotle's life, involves his profound influence on the development of the scientific method and his explorations in the natural sciences. This narrative not only showcases his intellectual curiosity, but also his meticulous approach to observation and analysis, which laid the groundwork for future scientific inquiry. After leaving Plato's academy, Aristotle was invited by Philip II of Macedon to tutor his son, Alexander the Great. During his time in Macedonia, Aristotle was given the resources to pursue his interests in the natural world, a rare opportunity for scholars of his time. It's said that Alexander provided Aristotle with funds to acquire specimens of plants and animals, which helped Aristotle in his extensive studies of biology. Following his tenure as a tutor, Aristotle returned to Athens and founded his own school, the Lyceum. Unlike the more abstract philosophical focus of Plato's academy, the Lyceum included extensive empirical research. Aristotle established a library and collected scrolls, which were critical for the advancement of knowledge at that time. But perhaps more significantly, he also created one of the ancient world's first research institutions, where he and his students systematically collected, classified, and analyzed specimens from the natural world. Aristotle's approach was revolutionary. He believed that to understand a species, one must study its morphology, habitat, and behavior. This led him to dissect animals and observe their anatomy, classifying them into groups and subgroups based on similarities and differences in their characteristics. His work in zoology was groundbreaking, as he identified nearly 500 species of animals and made significant contributions to anatomy, embryology, and ecology. One of the most famous aspects of Aristotle's work is his classification system, which laid the foundations for the biological taxonomy used today. He divided the living world into two broad categories: animals with blood, roughly equivalent to our concept of vertebrates, and those without, invertebrates. From there, he made further distinctions based on the animal's mode of life, body parts, and other characteristics. Aristotle's method of inquiry, observing, classifying, and deducing, was a precursor to the scientific method. This story of Aristotle's contributions to the natural sciences exemplifies his belief in the power of observation and reason. It underscores his role as not just a philosopher, but as one of the ancient world's most forward-thinking scientists. His work in the natural sciences, alongside his philosophical inquiries, cements Aristotle's place as a towering figure in the history of Western thought, demonstrating the breadth of his intellect and his profound impact on numerous fields of study.